When people think of Frisbee, they often think of people playing on the beaches in America and California and stuff. Not necessarily in Aberystwyth. We're Mwnci and we're an ultimate Frisbee team from Aberystwyth. The club's been going since 1996 and we've just had our 20-year reunion where we've had about 80 people come back right from the start of the club. So we had someone that was here when we went all the way to freshers that had only been playing a week or two, it was great to see everyone again.
The club overall has seen about 200 members through. So yeah, 20 years, 200 members, not doing badly, is it?
20 years ago there was a group of friends that kind of wanted to play Frisbee. They kind of got together, and then because it was a new sport it got a bit of traction, and just through the years it's not been a sport that people really know of, so they're intrigued by it when they see it at the Freshers' Fair and come along, give it a go, and then they normally get hooked.
Yng Nghymru, gêm brifysgol yn bennaf yw Frisbee Eithafol, ond y gobaith ydy y bydd mwy o boblogrwydd yn golygu mwy o glybiau.
With people coming through uni and finding a new sport in Frisbee and then enjoying it so much, when they leave, a lot of people like to make their own clubs. And I think in Wales, it's definitely on the rise.
It would be nice to have more clubs in Wales so that we can have more regular trainings. If we had a club, then it would mean that even once you've left university, you can still train there.
People are taking a lot more of an interest in the sport now. We were accepted as an Olympic sport and we should hopefully be in the Olympics in 2020. So it's nice to see people aren't just throwing us away as an outside sport. They're actually taking an interest in what we do.
Yn wahanol i nifer fawr o gampau elfen holl bwysig Frisbee Eithafol yw'r cysyniad spirit of the game.
Spirit of the game, it comes down to the fact that Ultimate is a self-umpired sport. So we do not have any referees. It's all down to the good faith of all the players.
I don't know of another sport that is self-umpired and has the spirit of the game element that Ultimate has. That's the biggest factor that makes it so unique.
There is a lot of room for cheating, but the spirit of the game makes it so that nobody wants to cheat.
It's quite nice to find a sport where fair play is the real winner.
Felly, ar ôl 20 mlynedd o fodolaeth, beth ydy cyfrinach tîm Frisbee Mwnci?
We're just a really friendly club. We might not necessarily be the best when it comes to tournaments, but we're really inclusive and we really encourage the freshers and we'll work with them.
We don't care if you can't throw or catch, you know, it's what you're here to learn to do.
We don't have any cliques. Everybody is friends with everybody else, so it's a really lovely atmosphere. If you enjoy sports but aren't necessarily the sort of person who wants to be on a football team or a rugby team, then this is the perfect sport for you. It means that everybody can get involved.